Good morning, everyone. I, Anshika Arora, wholeheartedly welcome you all to the health camp held at CPJ College organized by the NSSL. Here with me is our medical expert, Dr. Zakia Khan. Hello, ma'am. What's that one thing you feel students should follow in their diet?
The first most important thing that breakfast should not be skipped. Okay, these days people are thinking of doing intermediate fasting and the blah blah things, but that is hampering, because if you get any kind of gastric problem, that is going to lead a lot of immense other problems. So you have to be conscious that you have to take first your breakfast. Breakfast should be according to your weight. If your weight is like 80 kg, the breakfast count should be approx 80 to 1 kg in weight, like whether you are taking any vegetable or fruits or anything, whatever you feel like. Avoid early morning any oily food. Better to have all the semi-cooked and boiled or vegetable and fruits. That's what is important. Apart from this, like people these days, especially in boys, prostate cancers are very common, and the reason why, they are taking less water, they are not sitting and doing the urine. They should be using the sit to do the urine, because until unless you don't sit, your bladder is not going to be empty. And if your bladder is not empty, you are going to get that kind of cancerous things, because that prostate is what? It is a kind of tumor which comes in between. Same thing with the ladies, if they are having any kind of like a food habit is not good, blood circulation is not good. So PCOS, PCOD, other cyst, these few things start erupting. Okay, so they have to think about their water, food habit. This is very important. At night, after 7, avoid anything if you are going to bed by 11. If you are going bed by late, little more late, then you can come up to 8, 9, okay. Make sure before 3 hours of your bed, you should not eat. And before sleeping, you should always go to the washroom and then go to the bed. Why? Because if you're not habituated to this, in the midnight, if it is coming frequently, then it lead to the cardiac problems. So there is a lot of things which is interlinked, and since we are through Ayurveda, we have a different definition to explain the things, and we have different method to check the things.
It's great to know your opinion from you, ma'am. Thank you.